Hello and welcome to the lecture on understanding strong, emphasis, underline and italics. So we'll understand how to apply these styles into your web page. So go to your introduction to HTML folders, right click and we'll create one more folder called as strong. Okay, so I'm going to give you a startup file, a reference file which you can find in the material folder, and you can start from there. So this is a file that you can find in the material folder. All you can do is you can copy this up, remove the start here, okay, and we'll start using in the brackets now. Okay, let's close all other files. Okay, to this we will apply the styles. Okay, typically there are many styles available you can apply, and styling is actually applied via the CSS, but still HTML gives you some simple tags to apply the styles to your text. Okay, and these styles are called as, one is strong, the tag is strong. Okay, they are not self-closing tags, but I'm just trying to define them here. Okay, this is to bold the text. Okay, then next is italics. This is to italics the text. Then you have underline. For underline you have U tag. Then you have emphasis. If you want to emphasis like a quote, you can use it emphasis. Alright, so let's use these tags now. Okay, for that I want to emphasize, I want to put a strong around my lorem ipsum. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say strong. So strong opening and strong closing. So wherever you apply strong opening and closing, that becomes bold, right? You know bold, right? If you use Microsoft Word, you should have known what bold means. This is like you're adding bold, underline, italics and playing around with the text. Okay, and these tags mostly are used inside the paragraphs. So all the formatting of the text is done via these tags. So let's do a live preview of it. Okay, so you see the strong has been applied. Okay, and you can see it's in the bold now. Okay, the bold only happened just now for heading tags. Now to apply bold onto the text, you use a tag called strong. Okay, and you want to underline something. Let's go on top, and you want to underline printing and typetext. So you say underline. So printing and typesetting industry is underlined. Okay, if you see it here, it's underlined now. Okay, and you want to add a break here. Obviously the break is already been applied. And if you go down, you want to play around with this. You go down, you want to apply strong onto this. Okay, and also you want to have italics for it. Okay, you can see how it became strong and italics. Maybe you want to write a comment for it. Okay, you can write it in both ways. You can write italics and you can say nice article, and you can say worth reading. And now you want to put a strong for the person who has wrote this comment, right? Okay, you can see here. So this is basically italics and this is strong. Okay, similarly you can play around with this and you can add emphasize. Okay, typically emphasize is used when you want to write a quote or something. You can use emphasize for it, and inside the text you want to add italics, use I tag. Okay, and let's say the same thing, and it's written by Jane. Right, it's the same output. Let's refresh this. Okay, it's the same output, but understand emphasize is mostly used to for a quotation, for writing comments and those kind of stuff. Italics is mostly when you write a text, you want to italic something, then you write to use I tag there. Okay, but most of the output that you see, italics and emphasize both look same. Okay, it's just different tags are available for us to use. And you can use the closing of the emphasis here, right? So that's your HTML page. So let's open our HTML page. Okay, it looks much beautiful now. You have your heading tags, you have subheadings, then you have your strong that's coming up from strong. Let's look at that. This strong is coming basically highlighting the text in bold. Then you have underline U tag that's underlining the text. Then you have italics. Here you have applied italics. Then you have strong here, and then you have also used emphasize for it, for this one. Okay, so the page look very nice. Now I can go ahead and change the formatting of text using strong, italics, underline and emphasize. Okay, so these are the tags that is being used to change the format of the text. Well, that's on this lecture on formatting the text, and I'll see you in the next one.